Welcome to this custom one-level home in the heart of the coveted Charbonneau Community. Beautifully situated overlooking the 3rd green in Fairway Estates, you'll enjoy access to many amenities, including swimming, tennis, golf, and workout facilities. This spacious home was originally customized by renowned actor Frank Cady. A private, landscaped, gated courtyard invites you inside. You'll discover an impeccably maintained home with hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and custom built-ins throughout. The open kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family, including double ovens, dual pantries, and an abundance of custom cabinets. Enjoy your morning coffee in the light-filled breakfast nook and take in the views of the 3rd green and fairway. Escape to the private master suite, your own spacious retreat. The spa-inspired master bath is an elegant space with a deep tub, large shower, and separate vanities. Plus, you'll find a huge walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,500 square feet has plenty of space with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You'll find an additional hobby or office space in the large utility room. Entertain friends and family on the private patio with a custom-built arbor while enjoying the expansive golf course views. Other features include a built-in vacuum system and an underground automatic sprinkler system. Enjoy resort-style living in this gorgeous planned community with an abundance of amenities. A fantastic opportunity for a one-of-a-kind and hard-to-find one-level home in Charbonneau. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Corey Tennant with Premier Property Group at 503-393-8810.